What's going on YouTube? I am Zach and this is my travel channel where I'm going to be documenting my journey as I move to Thailand later this year. Now, I'm going to be doing something that I've seen a lot of channels talk about but not quite do the way I'm going to do it. I'm going to travel and move and live in Thailand with absolutely no preparation, no plan, and no money and no job. Some people say that, but then as I watch the video, I realize that they have like, $10,000, $20,000 in their bank and they're saying, I have no income, but yet they go there with an amount of money to where they can be set for a year or two, and I'm not going to do that. I'll be able to probably set myself up for a few months, but what I plan on doing is hopefully with the help of you guys be able to grow this channel in a way that will help me be able to afford to live out there. Now, when I get out there, I'm going to be doing vlogs, I'm going to be doing day in the lives, I'm going to be showing you kind of what it's like to live in Thailand from the point of view of not only a person of color living in Thailand, but also from the point of view of a person who has never left their country. Hell, I just moved out of Texas 3 months ago to Nevada, and that was the first time I left the state. Moved out of state, of course. And so I want you guys to be able to join me on that journey, and I also want to just be able to talk about it and feel like I have a community while I'm out there, because I'm going completely alone. I'm a bit of an introvert, so we're going to see how it goes. So if you want to help and support me to do that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also like the video, and we're just gonna wing it, man. I only have 220 something subscribers, but I'm gonna need over 1,000 to be able to try to monetize this channel. And once again, this is gonna be a completely community effort. I'm gonna go out there with the channel that I have right now and just try to do my best with what I have right now. And if I don't grow my channel in a way that can help maintain my life over there, then I have to move back, and that's not something that I want to do. So let's just wing it.